The last post-apocalyptic event I went to was Charyou Tree at Uranium Springs. This event is one of my absolute favorite events because of how intimate it is. Traditionally, the event is held over the Thanksgiving holiday break and is themed based on Stephen King's Dark Tower series. I know absolutely nothing about the series, but through the event page and interacting at the event, one can figure out the story behind Charyou Tree. The official festivities began on Friday, but people often arrive a day or two before to set up camp and spend some extra time together. A lot of the time is spent huddled together around the fire and telling stories, singing songs, meeting new people, or catching up with old friends. The major events are the feast and the burning of the stuffy guys. Out of respect, most people do not record the burning of the stuffy guys, as it can represent the burning away of the past year, and people often discuss their hardships. However, a stuffy guy can be made just for the fun of the event and don't require a meaning beyond that.
The weather started getting rough. The tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. Lightning sounds. Ecstatically, 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 ecstatically. Existence is but a delusion.
I like that.
The feast is also fun because everyone contributes a dish or a drink, and there is usually enough food to feed everyone the next day as well. I usually bring a store-bought item because I am terrible at camp cooking. Charyou Tree is not an event for everyone, as it can snow or be intensely cold. If you have no experience with cold weather camping, it is best to do some research prior to the event. Additionally, one can also ask for advice from the group prior to the event to get a further understanding of what they should anticipate. While I may not be going to an event for a while, I hope that everyone has a great time with all the events that are coming up, and I hope to see you soon. Very soon. Okay, thanks. See you later. Why can't I talk?